services, and we're dedicated to providing, sorry, I can't do the full screen.
Grab it the black and drag it up. That and left click and drag. Drag it up. Hold it and drag it.
Yes.
It should work. Uh-oh.
Okay, so
But anyway.
we're dedicated to providing the freshest produce possible. Sorry. Animals have been eating plants for more than 400 million years. During that entire time, all of those animals, including our human ancestors, ate their food plants alive within seconds or minutes of harvest. So we evolved eating living plants. Over the last 100 years or so, with the advent of refrigeration, people could now have produce that was grown hundreds of miles away and harvested several days before eating. So unless you have a garden, then the produce that you all have been eating is not as fresh or alive as the greens that all the other plant-eating animals eat. So the solution, Living Spices provides a solution, the Liveavore lettuce, a full-sized lettuce plant still growing in a pot to be harvested by the consumer or chef in the kitchen or at the dining table. Living Spices Liveavore lettuce is demonstrably fresher and more alive than its nearest competition, which is harvested hydroponic lettuce with the roots still attached. You've probably seen those in this grocery store. So here are the two products as they are sold in rigid plastic clamshells there and packaging. The difference can be immediately seen when they're taken out of the packet. The Living Spices Liveavore lettuce makes a nice display since it can stand up in the pot, and and some people even display, when I give this to people, they kind of don't know what to do with it. They like put it out like as a house plant, and you know, sometimes they never eat it, but we recommend it. So when the Living Spices plant is harvested and the roots of the competitor plant are cut off, the Living Spices plant exudes sap right there from the cut stump, while the competitor plant does not. That sap is the most nutritious part of the plant. There are more than 500 different proteins in that sap, and in the Living Spices plant, you're eating those active proteins the way we evolved to eat. While in the competitor plant, those proteins are not active or circulating in the plant. So the competitor plant is basically in shock. I call it a zombie plant, without circulation and already starting to decay. Even after 2 weeks in the refrigerator, the Living Spices plant is fresh and alive and still exudes sap when harvested, while the competitor plant continues to decay. So we are currently selling
Try to maximize the bond where the steel, a little bit off right
So, thanks. We are currently Living Spices is grown in a solid natural sponge-like medium called rock wool that's commonly used in horticulture. This is advantageous in that when a chef or consumer harvests the plant, no soil will fall out and get all over the kitchen or the table. We also have plans for a soil-based product that can be certified organic. And we can package our Liveavore lettuce in clamshells or sleeves. The sleeve packaging better shows the beauty of the product and the difference from the competitor product. However, grocers tend to prefer clamshells because the plants are better protected. They can be stacked, and grocers are used to dealing with clamshells because the competitor products are in clamshells. And we are currently selling these products in Fraser Farms, in Oceanside and Vista, and also to the Valley View Casino Black and Blue Steak. Question?
All right, folks.